this condition, what is happening? The diffusion current increases. You see, the electron and hole diffusion current increases, right? And as a result, you see the drip current is remain as it is. The drip current is remain as it is. There is no remarkable effect on drip current, but diffusion current increases. So we will get the diffusion current, because in the junction, what is happening? The diffusion current increases exponentially. With the increase of voltage, diffusion current increases exponentially, which suppress the drip current. That means we can say in general the drip current is remain unaltered, but diffusion current increases exponentially. So that diffusion current dominate over the drip current. That is why diffusion current dominate over the drip current, and we will get the current what we have discussed today's class. In the reverse bias condition, you see the diffusion is reduces electron and hole, but drift is remain as it is. And the barrier is increases. That is V0 plus VF. Point is clear? Now from next class onwards, we will start applications. So this is a typical PN junction characteristics. In first coordinate, you see the current is increases exponentially, and then in here with the increase of reverse bias voltage, current is almost zero, and after certain value it increases abruptly. You know this phenomena. This is a breakdown phenomena, and here this in forward bias condition, after certain value, small value, that is the cut-in voltage, after that it is increases exponentially. Now the application of this in first coordinate, when diode is in under forward bias condition, then it can be used as a rectifier, LED, laser diode, tunnel diode, etc. These are the specific application of diode as in forward bias condition, that is rectifier diode, LED, laser diode or tunnel diode, etc. In case of reverse bias, the diode can be used as photodiode. That means photo detector. In case of photo detector, we will use reverse bias condition or Zener diode. That you know, that is Zener breakdown is occur. So this region will application of diode as a photodiode or photo detector or Zener diode. In fourth quadrant, that is in the forward bias but current is negative. So here we will use the application as solar cell. You know that solar cell that can be used to generate or EMF from your sunlight, solar energy conversion, right? So this is the solar cell. These are the applications. So in next classes we will discuss these applications, right? So today I will stop it here. So